Hey folks, another very mild day across the valley. Temperatures this afternoon in the 70s after topping out the 80s earlier. 72 Raymondville and Port Isabel right now. Our dew points have dropped a little bit from yesterday and across most of the valley. 53 to 63 is the range, so we'll put an average on the Muggy meter of about 58. So now we're back down into that comfortable category across most of the area. A few degrees drop in the dew point makes a big difference. Now tonight we're going to drop down around 60 or so as your low with fog forming again like the last few nights. It's not going to be widespread. It'll be patchy, but just know that as you're headed out and about late tonight, early tomorrow. Then tomorrow afternoon, we're back in the 80s again under partly sunny skies. Clouds may thicken up a little bit late in the day, and then tomorrow night and Sunday, could be a couple of sprinkles around. But look at these high temperatures. It's December, and you're looking at 84, 84, and 86 the next 3 days. Normal is 75, so we'll be almost 10 degrees above average over the weekend, and even more than 10 degrees by Monday. Record on Monday is 88, so we'll be in that ballpark. Certainly very warm temperatures, but that will all change late Tuesday into Wednesday. Satellite shows nothing right now, and FutureTrack says it stays quiet tonight. Patchy clouds and fog late. During the daytime tomorrow, it's a mix of clouds and sun, then maybe a brief isolated sprinkle tomorrow night. This is 8 o'clock, and you see mostly just clouds around and maybe a sprinkle in a few spots, but nothing widespread. But then tomorrow night and Sunday, you see patches of green sneak across from time to time, so a brief shower is a possibility into Sunday, but I think by Monday that chance goes away. So we're at 10% tomorrow night, 10% Sunday, and then dry on Monday. The rest of Texas pretty quiet tonight. 60 in the Panhandle, 64 in Dallas, 66 in Houston. San Antonio checks in at 73. You saw Laredo at 75. The northern part of the state seeing a lot of clouds, kind of all out ahead of an upper air disturbance that's sitting off to the west of the Baja Peninsula, and that's kind of grabbing a hold of the Pacific moisture and feeding into the southwestern part of the country. It's that system over the next couple of days that will give us our shot at least a little bit of light rain and drizzle as it moves eastward. In the wintertime, we talk about these systems a lot. If they come down this way, we end up with a pretty wet pattern, but this one likely to kind of sneak off to the northeast ultimately. Enough to give us spotty sprinkles. The system weakens, and by late Sunday and Monday, it's out of the picture as it moves away. So we, for the most part, dry out into Monday. But then on Tuesday, we're watching for this front. We're warm until the front gets here. Right now, the models are suggesting frontal passage sometime Tuesday evening. That will drop temperatures significantly when it comes in, and then much, much cooler for Wednesday, Thursday, and for Friday. If you're headed to the coast, here's your beach forecast. In the morning, temperatures start in the upper 70s. Easterly winds. UV index is moderate. The rip current risk is low. Surf temperature right now is at 73 degrees. Evening temperatures in the 70s at the island as well. Here are the tides. 7:12 in the morning is the low tide. High tide's 4:01 in the afternoon. A light chop on the bay. Bay temperature right now at 73 degrees. So tonight across the valley, a low of 58, mainly clear with that fog again later on. And then tomorrow, I think we see fog in the morning, but by afternoon, some sunshine. 84 east-southeasterly winds. By tomorrow evening, could be a brief shower or sprinkle. That won't be the flavor of the day, and probably not even the flavor of the evening. But by Sunday, I think spotty showers a little more likely. Monday's mainly dry. Tuesday is dry until late in the day. Once that front comes in, it'll turn windy and colder, with a chance for some showers lingering into early Wednesday. Maybe a little sun returns late Wednesday, but a high of only 58. Back in the low 60s for Thursday and Friday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.